Hello everyone, my name is Saugat and today I'm excited to present my project on credit card fraud detection. In a world where digital transactions are growing rapidly, the importance of identifying fraudulent activities cannot be overstated. This project is steps towards creating a more secure financial ecosystem by leveraging machine learning. So in this project, I have followed all the plans and procedures that I have presented in my assessment too. So at first, I have collected the dataset from Kaggle, and then I have done all the EDA on the dataset that I got, and then I have done the feature engineering, and then over there I have done scaling of the dataset using standard scaler, and then I have applied all the machine learning algorithms, and among them I have finalized the model called XGBoost classifier, which has provided me the accuracy score of 82% uh, after doing the hyperparameter tuning. And I have dumped that model in pickle file, which I can use in future. So in my project, I have made a fast application from where we can just type provide all the necessary features, and then uh, we can predict whether the person will possibly create a fraud in future or no. So once we open my application, it will show us this welcoming screen, and then we have to put the features like this. It will ask for features, so below amount one, all features it will ask over here, and then it will give us the prediction result. So I'll quickly guide you through my VS code where you can see the code and have a better understanding about it. So this is my Visual Studio code, and inside a notebook folder called I have made a Jupyter notebook file called algorithms. So over here I have initially imported all the necessary libraries, and then I have loaded the data set, and I have performed all the basic exploratory data analysis of uh, for my data set. And then I'm I have done feature engineering, and in it I have scale made a use standard scaler and scale all my data set, and I have dumped that data set in a pickle file. Sorry, the I have dumped that standard scaler as a pickle file, and I have applied all the other necessary all the other algorithms, and among them I have finalized XGBoost classifier as my final model. So that I will use for prediction, and I have dumped that in pickle file. So you can see all the pickle files over here, the data set is over here, and these are the templates which I have created to use to make a website. And I have make a use of Flask framework, which is available in Python, and it will use the pickle files. And once I run the program, so you can see my project is already running in my local server. So I'll give you a quick guide how the prediction will take place. So we have to put all the parameters. I have already done it so that it will be quick. So once we click predict, it will show us whether the person will make any type of fraud activities in future or not. So we can see that the person will make a fraud. So it will again go like this. So going back to my presentation, so I will discuss about few of the problems that I faced while I was performing this uh, all machine learning project. So very first, the problem that I faced was data collection, and another problem that I faced was model dependency on the training data, and another problem that I faced was uh, these models take very high requires very high computational power. So I would like to discuss few of the possible solutions. So as we already know that I'm doing credit card fraud detection project, and since the credit card details and the details that we get from the bank are very sensitive, so it's very hard to get the actual data set. But if we collaborate with bank, and if we use various techniques like uh, to hide the actual dataset and create a replication of the actual dataset, then we can for sure we can make the model better in future with the help of the good quality dataset. And Another problem is model dependency on the training data. So we'll be training the data set, our model on the specific data set, um, but in future, if the same program needs to be run in America, then the condition here in Australia and America will be totally different, and it may cause a lot of bias. And as it requires very high computational power, we can use deploy the model in cloud platform like AWS, Azure, and we can get better results. So what's the future direction and my funding? So as hi all, as you have already seen my project, now uh, I want all of you to invest $100,000 in my project. So now, after completing all these steps, what I want to achieve is I want to make a complete pipeline where all the bankers, all the people who are associated with financial institution, they can use my software. So they can just type the details of a person, and all that detail will go to the database like MongoDB, and then from that database, all that detail will go to the cloud, let's say AWS, and over there continuously the data using those data set, the model will be trained and it will continuously give us the result. So creating that type of CI/CD pipeline, we can make the model very useful and with improving accuracy. And for this I need to hire few engineers who will help me to write very uh, good quality code. I need cloud architects. I need UI UX designers. So if you think my project will lead to success, and if you think we can earn a lot of money from this project, then please invest in my project. It's just $100,000 for 4% equity. Thank you so much. Thank you.